you for choosing the Medea Nail-Art Plus system, featuring the Iwata airbrushes. Since the beginning of airbrush nail art, Iwata airbrushes have been the preferred choice for the professional nail technician. Medea, the exclusive importer of Iwata airbrushes, has put together a complete nail art system to meet your specific needs. Iwata airbrushes, coupled with Medea nail art paints, stencils, and education are your winning combination, offering your customers a full range of services while increasing personal and salon profits.
Nail Art Plus Compressor, a quiet compressor featuring automatic shutoff for extended life. Iwata HPB sprays incredible detail and is easy to clean and maintain. A durable plastic 8-foot hose. Opalescent enamel base coat and wet glaze top coat ensure outstanding retention for the nail art colors. Medea water-based colors are specifically formulated for airbrushed nail art, created to spray smooth and provide even coverage, available in opaques, metallics, and pearlescents. A quick-drying top coat gives nails that thick, high-gloss shine. Nail art base coat dries quickly, provides a smooth surface and outstanding retention. Nail art varnish. A light coat of varnish before top coating protects your artwork and prevents colors from smearing. Cleans up with water. Nail art varnish is available in 1 and 4 ounces. Nail art cleaner is formulated to quickly dissolve Medea nail art colors and to thoroughly clean your airbrush, available in 1, 8, and 16 ounces. Medea nail art design spheres will make any nail technician an artist. The complete line of nail art stencils will allow you to easily create all of the popular nail art designs. Our spheres provide specific designs for holidays, scenery, and special occasions. Design masks are pre-cut on a light adhesive film. They're used in abstract nail art design and are available in assorted packages. 12-compartment wheel for sorting rhinestones to accent your airbrushed art. Use our masking knife to cut unique designs from blank masks. Finger rest positions nails during airbrush application. This 2-gun airbrush holder attaches to your table for protection and convenience. Iwata's HPA is designed with built-in color cup and sprays with incredible detail. Perfect for creating unique hand-cut designs. A durable, nylon-braided 10-foot air hose. Moisture filter is used to ensure long life of your airbrush unit. Our glass-enclosed display box will protect and show off your professionally airbrushed nail designs. Nail art tote bag on wheels. The padded lower compartment stores and protects your compressor. The adjustable upper compartments hold nail art colors, stencils, accessories, and more. Perfect for travel and storage. Iwata HPA and HPB airbrushes are the highest quality and the preferred choice for professional artists and nail technicians worldwide. Iwata's HPA is designed with a color well built into the body of the airbrush. Iwata's HPB is similar in performance to the HPA, but utilizes a larger cup for spraying larger areas. Pre-assembled nail art tips with pins to display your works of art save you time and money. An attractive print, displaying 4 intricate nail art designs, a perfect way to promote airbrushing in your salon. Medea's nail art colors are water-based and designed specifically for airbrush nail art application. Created to spray smooth, dry quickly, and provide even coverage, our wide variety of colors perform especially well, alone or combined, to create elaborate nail art designs. Our ready-to-use 1-ounce paints are easy to use and won't clog your airbrush. To begin assembly of your new unit, attach hose to compressor and tighten firmly to ensure no air leakage. Attach remaining end of hose to airbrush and tighten firmly. You are now ready to plug your unit in. If you hear air escaping, tighten both connections. Place overspray eliminator inside your trash can to absorb excess paint and cleaner. Replacement filters available.
I've chosen the Iwata HPB, which is my personal favorite. Learning to airbrush is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, push down for air. Step 2, ease your finger back for paint flow. And step 3, practice. Let's begin with a simple technique of dots. What this does is improve your control of the airbrush. Practice making larger size dots and smaller size dots. A simple exercise to help you with your aim is to connect your dots. It's important to spray with many layers of dry paint until you get the desired intensity of the color, rather than spray it on dark all at one time. If you spray too much paint on at a time, the result is wet paint. If you spray many coats lightly, you'll have paint that's dry instantly. It's important to remember to practice these techniques before moving on to a nail. Now that you've mastered control of airflow and aim, let's begin.
Before beginning the nail, remember to make your practice dots and then begin to spray the nail in a fine mist. It's important to spray each layer dry, going over the nail surface until desired shade of color is attained. Roll client's finger to cover sides of nail and free edge. After you're finished with color number 1, pull lever all the way back to flush out remaining paint. Then proceed by rinsing with water. Medea airbrush cleaner, then water again. Continue until water runs clear into your tabletop cleaning station. Add a small amount of varnish and lightly cover nails. Varnish is transparent and should be applied sparingly. When applying Medea Nail Art top coat, use an ample amount on the brush and apply with light strokes. Be sure to cover all the way back to the cuticle and seal the side walls and free edge. If any top coat gets on skin, remove it with an orange wood stick. After top coat is dry, spritz with nail art cleaner and send client to wash. To achieve a two-color blend, mist color diagonally on half of the nail. We recommend using traditional nail colors at the cuticle. Remember to rinse airbrush thoroughly before adding second color. We've chosen metallic gold as our second color. Apply at free edge area diagonally to fill in and complete the two-color blend. After rinsing your airbrush, mist on varnish and apply Medea Nail Art top coat. Don't forget to seal sidewalls and free edge. This completed two-color blend is a perfect way to get even the most conservative client to try airbrushing, therefore adding to your income. To create the ever so popular French manicure, we selected magenta for our first color. For olive skin tones, we recommend the color almond. For warm skin tones, creamy coral would be a good choice. You will need to test dot size on your skin, as you will not be able to see white paint on your paper towel. To create a soft curved free edge, use cloud white and use your thumb for a guide. Place clean thumb on nail as shown. Mist white paint on free edge until even coverage is achieved. Perfect French manicures are achieved easily in less time. Lightly varnish all 10 nails. Airbrushed French manicures dry quickly, making it easier for your clients to leave the salon safely. Lastly, apply top coat to give that sought-after wet look. It's a good idea to recommend your clients freshen their airbrushed nails with extra coats of Medea Nail Art top coat at home. This next design will show you how to properly use Medea Nail Art design spheres. We will begin by misting the entire base coated nail with sky blue. It's important that even though you're spraying a small area, you continue to keep your spray dry. Wet paint may run under the stencil, ruining a sharp, clear design. Choose a stencil design that is appropriate to size of nail. Position design sphere on nail, being careful not to scratch paint surface. Note that stencil is slightly curved. Spray directly down onto the stencil. Carefully lift design sphere away. After applying stars to all 10 nails, if you choose to add another design, repeat the same steps. To add sparkle to a matte finish, mist pearlescence over the entire nail. Remember to varnish, top coat, and clean up around the edges with an orange wood stick. The next technique you will learn is how to use masks. We have chosen orange, yellow, and red to demonstrate this nail. First, apply orange diagonally at the cuticle. Next, we mist yellow diagonally to the free edge of the nails. Release the clear mask from paper and discard the paper backing. Apply mask to nail in desired position. Mist red to cover the entire nail. Gently lift mask to reveal design and repeat on remaining nails. Lightly varnish to protect your works of art. Generously apply Medea Nail Art Top Coat. Allow nails to dry 3 to 5 minutes before spritzing with nail art cleaner and sending client to wash. Using these 5 techniques, you can increase your income $5 to $15 per customer in the same amount of time you would have used to apply ordinary nail enamel. Here are a few problems you may encounter. Wrinkling of paint may be caused by spraying paint too thick and/or applying too much varnish. Paint is too wet, spraying too much paint too fast, or spraying too close to the nail. Paint collecting on the needle can cause spitting and clogging. Unscrew airbrush back. Remove needle chuck. Gently remove needle from the body. Spray paper towel with airbrush cleaner and wipe excess paint off needle. Be very careful not to bend the needle tip. To reassemble, insert needle into the body. Push gently with your thumb to make sure it's all the way forward. Screw needle chuck on securely. Screw on back of airbrush. Paint spitting. Tip of needle has collected paint. Remove first tip and wipe excess paint from needle with fingertips. Screw tip back on. After viewing your Getting Started video, we encourage you to practice, practice, practice. Airbrushing is a learned skill. Remember when you were learning how to apply your first set of sculptured nails? Reviewing this video was your first step in your airbrush education. With practice and participating in Medea's expanding selection of advanced classes, there is no limit to where you can go with this exciting art. Fun and informative classes conducted by Medea have trained thousands of nail technicians to take pride in their professional airbrushing skills. Every nail client will soon become your airbrush customer. From the conservative to the outrageous in nail art, Medea's advanced airbrush classes help you to add a new dimension to your salon services. All this while having a great time.